She was gasping for air. A young girl, trapped in an overcrowded train, her hands clutching the window frame, desperate for breath. And yet, no one pulled her to safety. They pulled out their phones. They mocked. They recorded. And the world watched her struggle. Like it was entertainment. This wasn't a rare accident. Every day millions are crammed into metal boxes beyond capacity. Heat suffocates. Bodies press so tight you can't move, can't breathe. And when tragedy strikes, the system shrugs and the people scroll. But this doesn't have to be the story of our trains. More coaches, more trains during peak hours, because excuses don't carry lives. Ventilation and cooling in every coach, openable windows, working fans, airflow that saves lives. Emergency help buttons, a direct lifeline to the guard and RPF in seconds. Platform crowd marshals to stop dangerous overloading before the train departs. AI-powered crowd tracking, so before you step in, you know where it's safe to stand. And above all, public responsibility. If someone is in distress, stop filming, start helping. A train should take you home, not take your last breath. Let's demand safety. Let's bring back humanity. Because if we can predict the rain, we can prepare for the crowd. And if we can hold a phone, we can hold a hand. Humanity first, safety always.